I'm sacking this too. I don't care. He can't switch. No. 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 The banana. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be showcasing banana squid. Or re-showcasing the banana. So we got health and magical defense with the hidden trait banana peel. When our attacker miss this Doodle with a move, they take 25% of the max HP and damage. Attacks on this Doodle miss 10% more often. Then paired with Reflected Shard, which basically makes them miss 10% of the time. It's basically a 20% chance. So let's say somebody used Earthquake. That goes to what, like a 100 base power to 80 base power. So yeah, this is gonna be annoying. As you can see by the title. No, as you can see by the thumbnail. It's basically other Starbreaker. So yeah, we got Trap, Sun Out. So we got Trap, Sun Out Darkness, Beast Summon, and Plant Sap. Trap and Sun Out Darkness. Pretty explanatory. We trying to perish trap them. Beast Summon for Hazard Chip is really good for Hypnoto and Bubble and Big O to like clean up. And then Plant Sap is just there for recovery, and this don't really have a good moves in general. It only has good support moves, not like any damaging moves. So yeah, I just went with Plant Sap just to gain a little bit of recovery. So we got Hornet Headband, Varieties, and Beach Ball, just to be as bulky as possible, and a super effective hit, like just 2 times super effective hit only take us to half health. But if it's something like Heat Bash, then yeah, we get one shot. So the idea is to Beast Summon, then trap them, Sun of Darkness, and then start with Plant Sap and a 20% chance of missing and taking damage. So for the Malzawe, I'm trying Cure Jelly Rest. I tried using Cure Jelly Rest Malzawe yesterday, but I didn't really like it because like I wanted like Cure Jelly recovery to survive hits. Yeah, but I'ma try it regular set just with Rest instead of Crystal Armor and Cure Jelly. Heat Trend Supreme, same set. Yeah, same set from last time I used it. Fire Up pairs well with Banana Squid. So yeah. We got this for hazard removal. So we got the Elephant Chip with Piedmont with the. So we basically using Elephant as like a flashbang, like flincher, and as a removal option, because we really need one. Bubble is just a late game cleaner, and Hypnoto also a late game cleaner. Oh yeah, Hypnoto finally got Puffball, but even more broken. It got Puffball and Mushroom Maneuver paired together. So yeah, that's gonna be epic. And that explains why I got no pivot. So yeah, the team looking fine. And I'm not gonna be surprised if I change Cure Jelly to Heal Jelly. So yeah, let's see if the banana is broken. Let's just hop into the battle, shall we? Okay, so the first battle. Yo, the banana actually is trash. Why he got everything to hit me super effectively with the banana? Bro, I mean, Hypnotic gonna go crazy on Voltage Chan. I basically wall Voltage too. Okay. Just lead with the banana. Yeah. Me personally, this should not have got shouted. Crunch, actually. That's strange. Oh, wow. So yeah. I'ma just be summon. Oh my goodness, bro. That shit goofy. It's just Sona. Yeah, see, I live a super effective hit. Okay. Days? I don't even know why. I could just sack off the banana, bro. Yo. I mean, what else can I do? I'm just trapped. No. No. Ain't no way. I'm sacking this too. I don't care. He can't switch. No. 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 The banana. The banana. Yo. W banana, bro. Guys, I can go into bongo. I mean, yeah, bongo goes crazy if I get reverse singularity. So let me just set that up real quick. I think I should use theater instead of the top hat. No, not top hat. I'm gonna show ya after this turn. Yeah. If this works like on Pokemon, yeah, the drenched sun hat. This. Oh, okay. I was about to say, if it worked like the Pokemon Trick Room, then I'ma get to my second life, but no, it didn't. Yeah. This goes crazy, bro. Just Goo Blast for free. Yo, no. No. Bro, this team, yo, no. No. You can see the power already. No! Hopping into the next battle, shall we? So as you saw from the first battle, the banana went crazy. Oh yo, the banana helped to remove the hypnoto because Sonata Darkness live at 1 HP, trap it. It missed 2 times, and that allowed Bongo to sweep the game. Basically, that allowed Bongo to sweep the game. So yeah, bro. If y'all are not hyped already, bro, I don't know what to tell you, bro. If you enjoyed that battle, like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Because I know in the middle of the video, you're probably hyped as fuck. You're saying, alright, bro, he like the GOAT or some shit like that. I'm not, but hey, if you believe in me, that's good. Because one day, I'm going to be the GOAT. So yeah. Let's hop into the next battle now, shall we? Okay, this looks like a rain team. No, that's funny. No, that was funny. Yeah, guess I lit off with the banana. Maybe this has a removal, but yo, we're moving this early. Yeah, I'm removing this early. Fuck you talking about? Yep, you cooked. Miss. Bruh. That's alright. He's first to switch out. He either first to switch out or I get +1. And I don't die. Yeah. Hypnoto is back. I'm just quick thinking again. Uh-oh. Guess I life's up. I mean, I got hazard removal, so I don't really care. You know you could just switch into Bongo, right? But then again, I have my Zoe. If he's... Please don't switch Bongo, bro. Please don't switch in Bongo, bro. Let me ask you something, though. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell ya. I'm using Hypnoto again. It's been a long time. Oh, he's weird. You're weird. You're actually weird. That's why I'm going to my Zoe. You're actually weird. Like, you're actually weird, bro. Like, you're actually weird, bro. Nah, fuck that. You're actually weird. Yeah, in that case, you're weird. turn 3. Oh, not anymore. So I switched this thing in for no reason. And do I need this? And try lowering his defense. I mean, this is gonna be annoying to face, yeah. Yeah, now you gotta switch out. I'm a radiant underground mantle. Yep. Always works. Well, my Garanto switching is dead. That's 11-1 at least. And I crit. I'm him. I'm gonna crit. W elephant. I could just cycle. Wow, and I lived. I like Psycho Force is my only option. Yeah, if I get magical defense lower, that would going to be W. I have to fish for that. Yeah, I'm not. We've as ended, so I need at least 2 Psycho Forces. Nice crit. That's exactly what I needed too. That's crazy. I've already got my heal jelly, right? No. Wake me up! No. Go wake up this time, right? What? Bro, work! Yo, Jelly, work, bro. That's 3 turns of sleep, so I can. Yeah. That's the funny part too. I got bongo on. Yo, no. No. I at least quick thinking once. I'm basically +6 speed, right? Yeah. That's not no switching. That's not a switch. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm being hypocritical. I'm gonna say I said I hate bongo. I'm using it. You know who I'm switching in, bro. Nice here. Nice. Good work. Oh, that's good work. Hold up. I don't know. I'm gonna just opal. Damn. I literally got bongo singing in the back, bro. Yeah, I'm back to like basically good health. Then you have to predict my Zoe coming in. Yeah, I rest. Take the name as the hint. Take the name as the hint. I literally don't need that. Womp womp. Guess I heat bash for damage. I don't know. RG is a skill. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on. Like, bro, hold up. Hold up, bro. Like, bro, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. You have to stay in. That's why you, that's why you shouldn't use bongo. You're using it right now. That was kind of hypocritical, though. You're using it right now, you hypocrite. I know, that was kind of hypocritical. Thank you for the eyes. Yeah, I know that was kind of hypocritical of me to say because... Oh. Guess I psyched this off. Yeah, thank you for not missing. Good game, well played. I mean, you shouldn't get mad. Good game, well played. Damn, this game took long as shit. Alright, let's hop into the outro, shall we? Bro talking shite. Bro talking shite. Bro talking shite. Alright. 5-win streak. Thank you for the 5. Alright. Actually, Cure Jelly. Cure Jelly came in clutch. I actually might start using Cure Jelly Mozilla now. So yeah. The banana's overpowered. I think it was a better idea to give the banana refresh and takeout so it won't be that overpowered. Yeah, but now it has trapping so it can paratrap you. Set up B summon. You can miss 20% of the time. Yeah, Wish. What have you done, Wish? If Smogon came to Doodle World, they would actually ban the banana. I'm naming it that, the banana. the banana. Okay, so if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. The banana overpowered. The banana overpowered.